going to do is we're just going to put it in there with our fingers, sticking it all in there. Okay, that's good. I'm happy with that. I'm going to take our leather repair filler, open it up. So that's another coat. We're going to let this dry again. Just sand it down so it's smooth. That's all we're looking for here. A professional leather dye. This is the dark brown sea, very common color. And then just wipe it into the filler, just so it all has sort of like the same gloss. And when you dry it up, as you can see, it's a beautiful little club chair again. And of course all this damage and this rip is gone, and there is strength in there. It's not going to open up again. You can find this and many more products at leathertouchupdye.com, or if you want to click in the description, there's a hyperlink. It will take you directly to our website.